Hi, my name is Carrie Couvillon and I work at the LSU Rural Life Museum. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how we make candles here at the Rural Life Museum as a part of our how-to series. To start off, most of the supplies that you need can either be bought online or in your local craft store. All of this, with the exception of the old-time candle molds, these had to be found online. But your wick, your copper wire, beeswax, or if you want to make your candles out of paraffin instead, all this was found at the local craft store. You'll also need a stick, which helps you once you have the wick strung through the molds. It helps line the wick up straight so you have a straight wick throughout your entire candle. These can be bought at the local craft store, and once you have them, you line them up with your mold and drill the holes so that you have it all evened out. You'll also need a pair of scissors and of course a scooper for your wax. We're making it the candles over here on the open fire. We have two pots. The small one is for, of course, the candle wax, and then you also need a pot of boiling water, which is used once the candles are done. It's used to loosen the candles from the mold. It loosens them up so that you can pull them out and have your candles. It also cleans your supplies once you're all done. Alright, once you have your candle wick, you just need to cut off a string so long, and then you make a knot at one end, and then you'll take a thin wire, copper wire usually works best, and then you'll fold it in half, and then put the end of your string that doesn't have the knot through the loop here, and don't put a whole lot of excess. And then you're going to use the other end to feed through the hole. And the knot is there to stop it so you don't accidentally pull your string all the way through. Then once it's fed through, then you have your stick, and then you can use a shorter piece of copper wire on the end. You'll have another loop, then use it to feed through. Oops. And you're going to do that with the other three as well. Once all four thread through, then you're going to tie it tighter around. Just loop it around and pull it tight. And then once you have it pulled tight, if you have excess string, You can trim it a little bit. And then you line it up to make sure your strings are pulled tight and in the middle. Alright, then you take your mold. And we're making beeswax candles, so this is beeswax in this pot. And it doesn't matter if you get excess on the outside. Your sticks will easily clean off in the boiling water, and the excess on the top of the molds will be caught by the lip that goes around it. And make sure you're pouring down all the way. You want to fill the candle up, all of it. Alright, after you pour the beeswax in the molds, before it starts to dry, you have to make sure that your wick is straight in the mold. So you can do some more rearranging before it gets hardened while the wax is still in a liquid form. And we have another mold over here that I poured earlier, and the candles are ready to come out. Don't forget you have your knots at the bottom, so you're gonna have to take your scissors and cut each knot off. Alright, and then you're gonna need something to help you dunk it down in the water, some kind of hook. And you just keep dunking it till you see them coming loose. And there you go. And there's your candles. And you just hang them up on a clothesline like that, or a rope, and leave them hanging there until they dry. And then once they're dry, you can cut them off the stick, and then you have 4 individual candles. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and come see us out at the LSU Rural Life Museum. Thank you.